Good morning, students. Today we discuss the new lesson, new chapter. Is matter pure? Is matter pure? Please take the textbooks. All of you take the textbook, page number 38. Page number 38. Is matter pure? Is matter pure? In page number 38. Please take the all of you take textbooks. Page number 38. Okay. Always in our daily life, we go to market many times with our parents to purchase rice, salt, milk, ghee, and other provisions. Other provisions. You must have tried to ensure that got the purest possible milk and pure ghee, etc. Okay, in our day-to-day language, pure means something with no adulteration. Pure means something with no adulteration. అంటే ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆ మ్యాటర్లో ఆ ఐటెంలో వేరే మ్యాటర్ అనేది మిక్స్ అయి ఉండకూడదు. సపోజ్ టమాటా అంటే ఓన్లీ టమాటానే ఉండాలి. మిల్క్ అంటే ఓన్లీ మిల్కే ఉండాలి. బట్ మిల్క్ ఈజ్ ఏ మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ సో మెనీ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్. Milk is a mixture of so many ingredients. Buttermilk also mixture of so many ingredients. Okay? Pure means something with no adulteration. ఏమి మిక్స్ అయి ఉండకూడదు ఆ సబ్స్టెన్స్లో. ఓకే, బట్ ఇన్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ప్యూర్ మీన్స్ సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్. ఇన్ కెమిస్ట్రీ లాంగ్వేజ్ ప్యూర్ మీన్స్ సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్. Pure means something different in chemistry language. Okay. Here, take some milk in a vessel. Take some milk in a vessel. You take some milk in a vessel, spin it with a milk churner for some time. Spin it with a milk churner for some time. After some time, we find some solid cream on the surface of milk. Solid cream on the surface of milk. The lightweight particle, the cream particles, we find on the surface of milk in the vessel. Thus, milk is a mixture of so many ingredients. That cream is a mixture of so many ingredients. Okay, after some time you observe separation of paste like a solid out of the milk. Milk nunchi some solid paste separate అవుతుంది out of the milk on the surface of milk. That cream is a mixture of so many ingredients. So this paste like solid cream, this paste called solid is called cream. The cream particle contains more than one component in it. More than one component, one ingredient, one substance, more than one substance, one item in the that cream particles, that cream. So it is therefore mixture. So the cream is mixture. Pour the milk in a vessel, take a churner and churning the pure milk. After some time we find some solid cream on the surface of milk. So this cream is a combination of so many ingredients or components. So this cream is called a mixture. So we have already studied about the mixtures in the previous class. Okay. Churning makes a lighter components to come out from the surface. Churning make the lighter separate the components from heavier components to lighter components. Churning is separate the heavier mass particles from that of lower mass particles. Lower mass particles float on the surface of that liquid and heavier mass particles settle at the bottom of the liquid. In this cream particle, in this churning milk, the heavy milk particles settled down at the bottom of the vessel and the lighter particles, cream particles float on the surface of the milk, surface of the liquid milk. Centrifuge, that is a machine, Centrifuge is a machine. It separates the lower mass particles from those of higher mass particles in a given mixture. In hospitals, blood test, urine test, they use some centrifuge machines. That centrifuge machines separate the higher mass particles from those of lower mass particles in the blood or in the urine test. Okay, centrifugation. This process is known as centrifugation. Centrifuge is a machine that separates the higher mass particles from those of lower mass particles. Okay, centrifugation. Here, a mixture of liquid has spun rapidly. A mixture of milk spun rapidly commercially for separating a cream from milk. Commercially from separating from cream from milk. Vijaya milk packet and Arokya milk packet. Some milk packets that are creamless milk, skimmed milk. That is the skimmed milk. ముందే దాంట్లో నుంచి ఆ మిల్క్లో ఏం చేస్తారు, క్రీమ్ని సపరేట్ చేసేస్తారు మిల్క్ ఫ్యాక్టరీలో. మిల్క్ ఆ క్రీమ్ బటర్, దట్ ఈస్ అ బటర్. సపరేట్ చేసిన మిల్క్ని ప్యాకెట్ చేసి పంపిస్తారనమాట మిల్క్ ఫ్యాక్టరీలో. దట్ ఈస్ అ స్కిమ్డ్ మిల్క్. కమర్షియల్లీ సపరేటింగ్ ద క్రీమ్ ఫ్రమ్ మిల్క్. ఏ మెషిన్ కాల్డ్ సెంట్రిఫ్యూజ్. ఏ మెషిన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సెంట్రిఫ్యూజ్. సో సెంట్రిఫ్యూజ్ ఈజ్ ఏ మెషిన్ which separate the higher mass particles from those of lower mass particles. Okay, so machines called centrifuge. Centrifuge is used, it follows the same principle of centrifugation, is also used in the diagnostic laboratory. In diagnostic laboratory, centrifuge machine is used. That machine is separate the lower mass particles from those of higher mass particles present in the blood or present in the urine in the laboratory to test the blood and urine samples. The sample is taken in the centrifugation tube and the centrifugation tube is placed in the centrifugation machine. On rotation of the tube, the machine separates the heavier mass particles, settle down at the bottom, and lighter particles come to the top of the test tube. So the centrifuge machine separate the higher mass particles settle down at the bottom of the test tube and lower mass particles float on the surface of the test tube. What is the name of machine? The name of machine is centrifuge. Separate the higher mass particles from those of lower mass particles. Another example of centrifuge is laundry dryer. Wet cloth put on the laundry dryer, that cloth after some time dried. In the wet cloth, the separate the lower mass particles of water vapor from higher mass particles, threads, fibers, cloths. So that is the laundry dryer. Okay, what is a mixture? Combination of two or more components. Combination of minimum two or more components. It is called, that substance is called a mixture. Many things that we call pure are actually mixtures of different substances. మనం అనుకుంటాం చాలా substance pure substance. That is not a pure substance. The pure substance also contain a mixture of so many components, so many ingredients. Juice is for example, juice is a mixture of water, sugar and juice pulp. Fruit pulp. So that is a single component juice. That is a combination of water, sugar and fruit pulp. Juice. Here juice is a mixture of water, sugar and fruit pulp. Even water contains some salt and minerals. Daily we drink some water. That water contains so many minerals, so many metal ions present in the water. Invisible minerals, invisible metal ions present in that water. Okay, pure water is a tasteless water. Is a pure water, pure H2O. So that impure water we use daily we use impure water. Impure water contains some minerals, some metal ions, etc. Okay, all the matter around us, all the matter around us can be classified into two groups. Can all the matter in the world, in the around us, divided into two groups. First one, so pure substance and a mixture. Pure substance and a mixture. Pure substance and mixture. Suppose when you scientist, suppose we take that means you take a composition of the substance does not change. Composition of in pure substance, the composition does not change. For example, take a pure gold biscuit. Pure gold biscuit. Any part in that gold biscuit, behave as a gold, pure gold. AU, Aram. Latin name of gold is Aram, AU. Any part in that gold contain AU atoms. AU atoms or AU molecules, atoms, Aram molecules. Any part in the pure gold biscuit. Okay. Here, no matter which part of the substance you take for examination. You take examination. మీరు ఏ పార్ట్లో ఎక్కడైనా ఏ పార్ట్లో ఉన్నా మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ చేస్తే ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ బిహేవ్ సేమ్. ఎంటైర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ గోల్డ్ బిస్కెట్. Entire gold biscuit contain AU particles, AU atoms, AU molecules, and some part of the gold biscuit also contain AU atoms, AU Aram particles, Aram molecules. Okay, for example, whichever part of the pure gold. So here pure gold biscuit taken as a sample. Pure gold biscuit తీసుకున్నాం మనం. ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్ బిస్కెట్లో ఏ పార్ట్ని మనం ఎగ్జామ్ చేసినా కానీ ప్యూర్గానే ఉంటుంది. సో ఇంప్యూర్ మనం ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి. మనం యూజ్ చేసే గోల్డ్ ఇంప్యూర్ గోల్డ్ సమ్ యాడెడ్ సమ్ బ్రాస్ ఆర్ కాపర్. బ్రాస్ ఎత్తడి లేక కాపర్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం మనం. యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇట్ స్ట్రెంగ్తెన్ ద గోల్డ్కి స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్ ఈజ్ బ్రిటిల్, కింద పెడితే ఈజీగా బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్. ఇంప్యూర్ గోల్డ్ acquire some strength. Impure means added some copper or bronze to pure gold. So that is a strengthened gold. So here for example, whichever part of the pure gold biscuit is taken as a sample, the composition is found to be same. The composition is found to be same throughout the gold biscuit. Okay, but mixture are not always homogeneous. This pure gold biscuit is a homogeneous gold biscuit. Any part in that gold biscuit has a same molecule, contains same atoms, same molecules. But in a mixture does not contain a homogeneous. For example, the composition, some mixture change depending on the part you taken. In the మిక్చర్లో ఏ పార్ట్ అయితే మనం తీసుకున్నామో ఒక పార్ట్లోనేమో సమ్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్, అనదర్ పార్ట్ కంటైన్ సమ్ అదర్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ పర్సంటేజ్ చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. దేంట్లో ఇన్ ద మిక్చర్ ఈజ్ ఏ నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్. ప్యూర్ గోల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఏ హోమోజీనియస్ సబ్స్టెన్స్. Okay. Here, mixture are not always homogeneous. The composition of some mixture changes depending on the part you have taken as a sample. A mixture is generally made up of two or more components. We know the mixture is made up of generally composition of two or more components. The substance in a mixture retain their own properties. The substance in the mixture contain two or three components or substance. These substance retain their own properties. Retains means that వాటి యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ అలాగే ఉంచి ఆ టోటల్ మిక్చర్ ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తే అలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తాయి. రిటైన్ మీన్స్ దాని ఓన్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అలాగే ఉంచుతాయి అన్నమాట. అండ్ దే కెన్ బి ఫిజికల్లీ సపరేటెడ్. So mixture is a combination of two or more components. These components retain their own properties in that mixture. Okay students. So types of mixture. we learn we discuss about the types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, solution, solute, solvent. We discuss in the next class. Okay.